Good morning, everyone. This is the second video of the series, and today I would like to talk about an interesting article I found on the latest Standart Magazine called Minimum Wage Connoisseurship. And one of the things this article talks about is how specialty coffee professionals have a way of seeing and a way of acting, creating a clear difference between third wave baristas and second wave baristas, as an example. That concept of the other, not always a healthy concept, right? So going back to that way of seeing, that is actually the use of the palette as a working and calibration tool. So we would see the world and measure the world through our palettes, right? So I would love to connect important years to this way of seeing the world. And I could start in 1997 when Jean Lenoir developed le Neto Cafe, the aroma training kit for coffee tasters, designed for coffee tasters. And this kit actually helped tasters around the world on finding or measuring the aromas that you could consider positive in coffee or aromas you could consider negative in coffee, right? It's a great tool for calibration. In 1999, Ted Lingle developed the first SCA cupping protocol and scoring system, also the first coffee taster's wheel. In 2001, George Howell came up with the Cup of Excellence cupping form, and in 2001 again, Ted Lingle updated the SCA cupping protocol and scoring system, and it's the one we are using nowadays. And I think it's interesting to note that all these important like protocols or inventions are the base for this way of seeing. And that way of seeing, I think it's a bit like dividing the world in two: what is within our standards and what is outside our standards. And specialty coffee works like that, I think. So we have a mindset that is based on what can be considered specialty and what cannot consider specialty. So I think that connection between that way of seeing the world and those years is interesting. I hope it was interesting for you as well. And thank you for watching. See you next time.